Okay, we've finished the night interphase, and we're moving on to the night player turns. There's an Allied night player turn that goes first, and then the Germans have their night player turn. They're effectively the same in terms of what can go on. There's like 4 phases beneath it. You've got your engineering phase, so I'm just going to discuss it as one, just assume I'm covering both, unless I specifically say so. You've got your engineering phase. This is where engineering units can destroy or repair bridges. You need an engineering unit adjacent to your bridge, and then you can roll on these tables here to see whether you actually repair or not, or destroy or not. Also in this turn you've got the ability to build trenches, entrenchments, if you are the Allies. Sorry, you are the Germans. There is an option for Allies to build entrenchments, but we don't allow that because it's an optional rule, and I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. Next thing to do is you flip over your artillery units to their ready side. So anything that's moved, if it's on its move side, you flick it back to its normal side, and then it can be used in combat again. That's the same for both Germans and Allies. And you've got your night movement phases. The only difference between the Allied and the Germans is the Allies can only move at half speed during the night movement phase, because they're less familiar with the terrain. Just let me check whether that's full game or just for the first month or so. Yeah, that rule only applies up to July, because it's assumed by then the Allies are familiar with the area as well. Next phase is the night combat artillery phase. Now that's going to probably require a separate tutorial, so I'm not going to discuss that, and I don't know if I'm actually going to do any fighting at night, because I probably will do with the Allies, but certainly with the Germans, because it's not mandatory. I don't know. Let me think about that. But yes, there is a phase where you can actually fight